Hey everyone, welcome back. If you all are new here, welcome to the channel. So today we're going to be doing another makeup reset. This one is going to be a little bit shorter. We got to clean my vanity. This is a mess from the weekend. Today is Sunday, so we're going to do like a makeup cleanup or reset. And then I got some new lippies from Maybelline. I did a lip swatch video, but I don't know if I'm gonna put it up. I really don't know. If you don't know, Maybelline came out with some new lifter glosses. So this is their honey line. I don't know, maybe I might insert a clip in this here video. But anyways, I got these new glosses from Maybelline, and they were in stock inside the store. And I also needed another. I ran out of my e.l.f. concealer, so I picked that up. And I wanted to try the e.l.f. Skin Thirst Burst Drops. I hear a lot of people talk about this. The Maybelline foundation, I have it on today. Girl, oily. Ever since this foundation came out, it has always made me oily. Even before they made the matte version years ago, oily. And I don't know if it's because I have on this together, like the powder. I don't know, but it's just always made me, it's really oily today. And then I have on the primer. I like the primer, but I don't know if it's doing anything. It can't be, because I look like I'm sweating, so this ain't working. It's not working. I don't know. I don't know. I need to clean my vanity over here, clear out my makeup bag. This is the makeup bag I've been using to put my makeup in here that I want to do a video on. I have a little Bath and Body Works haul that I can share with you guys before we start cleaning. So they had a $5.95 sale on, like, I think like shampoo, conditioner, like what, I don't know, body wash and stuff like that. I think it was selected items, but I wanted some more items from this hair line, the True Blue Spa, because I have the lotion. So I got the True Blue Spa moisturizing shower cream. Now the lotion, extremely moisturizing. My skin is glowing when I use that. I got the exfoliating body wash, and apparently this is an old line from Bath and Body Works, and they brought it back. I'm guessing from the 90s, if I'm not mistaken. And then I got the foot cream, because I just feel, not the foot cream, but the foot scrub. And then I'm gonna use this probably, I need to do it tonight, but I want to try this out. This is the 60-second manicure, like hand spa, you know, to exfoliate my hands. So first things first, I want to clear out my makeup bag, because, well, let's get the trash up, which is just makeup wipes. I'm excited to try this. I think I want to try it tonight. And I had some Target gift cards, so I was like, let me just go ahead and use them. I had like almost $300 worth. I'm getting the trash together. I think that's all the trash that I got. I was doing my hair over here, so I gotta put that up. This is my edge control. My mirror, I put all my mirrors in, I have all my mirrors in this here little organizer I got from Dollar Tree. This is empty, so this is gonna go in my empties. Like, I can't, there's nothing else to scrape out of here. It's empty, so we're done. I'm currently wearing these eyelashes right now. All right, let's clear out the makeup bag. Wipes that I'm using can go over here. Mascara goes up here. And then I just got a ton of makeup brushes. I'm pretty sure you guys would like to see what I'm doing. Okay, yeah, I got a ton of makeup brushes. Can y'all see? So I'm gonna try to get those up first. There is just stuff everywhere. And like the makeup brushes is like another whole nother Now listen, Makeup brushes is like a whole nother day, okay? Because I gotta clean those. This concealer I'm almost done. Can you see? You can't see that. It's dark as hell. It's nothing in here. I was scraping this too, but it's something in this one. Yeah, it's a little bit more in this one. Okay. Empty. My Stila highlighter needs to go back. This is the highlighter that I used all weekend. Setting spray. I need to haul. I'm gonna leave this out because I'm doing a beauty supply store haul, but I already like started using this. So yeah, so I don't forget to haul it. Foundation, go back in the foundation drawer up here. Dior and Maybelline, go back up there. Okay, it's really not that much to clean. It's just like trying to get everything organized. I tried this Kiss from New York brow fixer from the beauty supply store. I don't know about this. Like, I'm gonna keep trying it, but it really didn't do anything. So we're gonna try it again, but it really didn't do much. This is empty as well. This mascara, I've been scraping this too, so that's empty. I also use this highlighter too, this Kiko. Oh, I got some more concealer. This one is Cappuccino. Yeah, it's still some in here, so I can use that. Coloring bronzer. Okay, goes up there. Then I have the L'Oreal that goes over here. Okay, I got 2 eyeshadow palettes. I got my Dior. I used this for the first time. I had this for a while, but I've used the other one. I never used this one from Supreme, from Artist Couture, their Supreme Nudes. That's what I have on my eyes today. So yeah, I used this for the first time today. And it was cool. Okay, and I used this Saturday, and then I did a video using that. So I gotta put those away. We got more bronzer from Juvia's Place. These are my cream bronzers. Use my MAC blush. I have some bling wrap from the Dollar Tree that I had for a while. I'm really thinking about blinging this out, but I don't know. I just kind of want to bling this out because I have my blinky cups up here. So like, why not? So comment down below if I should bling this out or leave it clear. What do you all think? And this thing is full to the max. I got this from Marshall's a long time ago. So what do you all think? It's just a lazy Susan. Bling it or not to bling it out? Let your girl know. Okay, so I'm gonna add my lippies that goes in my drawers. I'm gonna add those back right now. So this is where I keep like my Maybelline, NYX, Fenty, just everything that's everything that got more than one is up here. So as you can see, this is Maybelline right here, and then I think I got, oh, this might be all my Maybelline. Let me see. Yeah. Obviously I can't fit my new ones in there, so okay, I don't have any room because Fenty's right here. Fenty's right there. Oh, wait a minute now. I do. Ruby Kisses, you gotta go. Well, I still don't have any room because it's 5 lip glosses. What should I do? Hold on, we gonna make it work. I was only able to fit the 4 up here. These are the new shades from the Honey collection. And then I had to just, I took 2 lip oils out here and just added the last Maybelline. I don't like that, but that's the only option I have just to keep them kind of close together. And I took these 2 lip oils that was at the drawer from Magic collection. Let's put it right there. Oh, I need somewhere to put these. Can it fit right here? Oh, okay, look at God. Some essential like makeup brushes, concealer brushes in here for like my eyebrows, to cut my crease, eyeshadow brushes. This is one of my favorite brushes. My favorite brushes right here. So yeah, now I can put them in here properly and be done. Okay. All right, so we're all clean. This is the best it's gonna get. It's clean, the Vanity. I have this out so I can take my eyelashes off. I need to fix that. Oh, I need to put this back, and then I just want to keep this out so I can remember to haul it. But it's clean. I tried to wipe this as much as I could. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of me cleaning my Vanity. It is all clean. I'm happy, and I'm gonna finish fixing up the rest of my room and be done. And yeah, so I will see you all in another video. Hope you guys enjoy, and subscribe, comment down below, thumbs up. I will see you all in another video. Bye bye.